Today is monitor repair day. Can we breathe life into this old 720p display with with what is believed to be a waggly power connector, but may in fact be something else? We shall see. So you join me quite deep into this process, but I'm going for it. Take pictures of where wires go. I did that, that's why there's a cut in the video. Okay. The old broken solder joint trick. Oldest one in the book. We'll have that going in no time. The symptoms were, if you waggled the power plug it'd work, so I was pretty sure it was going to be something like this. Cool, let's do it. Lent my soldering iron to my sister the other week. Never been the same since. I've scrubbed it, I've dipped it in tip refresher. Must be a dick joke there somewhere. Bounce it up and down in that thing till, you know, for a while. Nothing. Well, not nothing. Scraping it with a knife helps a bit. Be careful when you take monitors apart. There might be big capacitors or something with high voltage. I only say that because I was just rubbing my finger on the back of this big capacitor that says high voltage. This is the best bit. This is the best bit. No idea if it's hot enough because the tip's in such bad condition now that it literally doesn't work. She should have just given me the thing. She was trying to mend a laptop apparently, and she couldn't get it to stick. It's because she had the tip dirty. Oh, there you go, shiny tip's what you need. That tip refresher has a smell. Like eggs. So one of them cracked, Yeah, I just realised you can't actually see what I'm doing. You're just looking at my head. Oh. Oh, I wish I had a better setup. Right. I'm not working on the floor today, at least. I'm working on my lap, but it won't be. So this one was broken. You might just about be able to see that. But I'm going to solder all three because I'm here. And while the screen is very old, I don't have any money, so I can't afford to replace it. There you go. The actual, there's two more here and here. They hold a big strap on that is the earth. I'm debating whether to touch them up. I think I will. Wouldn't hurt. Especially this one looks a bit fractured anyway. Don't know. Hard to tell. Come on, melt it. You can do it. There we go. I should really put flaps on all of this, but that would mean finding the flaps. It'll be out there in the shed, but the shed is even worse than the house at the moment. There's going to be so many people cringing at the way my life is, but there are reasons. There are reasons. Oh, yeah, she looks good. Okay, so we'll put it back together. There's a screw going on. Here it is. Yeah, she looks good. Look at the size of the speakers. I've got earphones with bigger speakers. And it's not a slim display, although it is quite old. 720p, I think. So yeah, it's not worth anything. Doesn't mean I can afford to replace it. I have to consult the photos. I realise you can't see loads, but there you go. What can I do? Basically, I'm plugging in all the wires that I unplugged to get it apart. I've mended it. It was really quite a simple fix. Ooh. And then it's just screwy, screwy, screwy. Simple. Well, if it still works. Mind you, it really didn't work before, so maybe if you got the wire in just the right place. Yeah, it gone past. Sometimes if you have it in the wrong place into, and you could hear it arcing like, bzzz, which is why that first lot of solder took quite a while to melt, because it built up carbon around it from all the arcing. Right, so screws are in, screws are in, screws are in. That bit goes there. That bit goes there. That bit goes there. Try it out. It's alive.